Howdy, howdy, dear friends of Zarana DIY family and community. Hope you're doing so well. And today we are going to make our star-shaped panel or mat that make our beaded bag. You can use it as a decorative element in your home or hang it on the wall. As you see, we need 5 particles for each star. Therefore, we need 10 of these for making a nice beaded bag. At the end of each particle, we have 2 beads and we need a line to connect them to each other. Therefore, we connect 10 beads to each other. It makes a very small star shaped in the middle, and then it goes to other parts. We should connect the particles from upper part, and then our star shaped will be made. As you see, I don't cut my line at all, and you should do the same. Please don't cut your line at all. Go through as much as beads as you see. I made it like this. You should go through the beads and fix it until that you cannot do it at all. You can not cut it because we want to use it in daily use, and we want to have a very stiffened and safe and sound bag. Therefore, don't cut your line at all. Even if they are 1 or 2 or 3 meters, don't cut them. Go through the beads and make a very safe and sound bag for yourself. As you see, it is very important. And now for the upper part of particles, we need only 1 bead to connect them to each other. You can use smaller beads to have the connection more safe and sound, but with 1 it suffices. You can have good knots here and fix them to each other, and don't cut these lines at all. Again, go through the beads and make them completely close to each other, and at the end your star-shaped panel is ready. You can use it as a mat or hang it on the wall or for the decoration of Christmas or any thing or for your home. And now for the next video you can see that how the edges or wall of the star shaped is made, and the connection is done in order to make it as a bag. This tutorial is beginners friendly and you can make it in a jiffy, and it is as easy as ABC. But guys, even if you have any question, you can comment me below the video. I'll answer you as soon as possible. Hope you make it in the weekend or during the holidays and enjoy such a nice DIY beaded bag. And the next video will be about the wall or the edges of the star-shaped beaded bag. If you find this channel useful for yourself, please subscribe to this channel and comment me that what tutorial is your favorite, and I'll make it and upload for you. See you soon guys. I love you so much.